everyone, I am Dr. Vibhalakshmi. Welcome to my channel Learn with Joy, and we will discuss behavioral skills. So let's start. First, we know about behavior. What is behavior? The way in which an organism behaves in the form of response towards a particular situation or stimulus in a generalized form. It is the response of an organism for a stimulus. Second thing is skill. Skill is an ability to coordinate minds, thoughts, and body that a person develops through the training. In behavioral skills include balanced actions and responses expressed by a person according to situation in the different circumstances that make person's interpersonal relationship soft and sweet along with organization of the lifestyle. Behavioral skills are people skills, which include social and emotional skills that allow people to work and perform well with their colleague and in the society. By the training, most behavioral skills or soft skills are developed to do with how employee, managers, and leaders behave emotionally and socially at the workplace. Behavioral skill programs are based on behavioral psychology, social emotional learning, and action based experimental learning methodology. There are some primary behavioral skills are as follows. First is self-management, the ability to control emotions, thoughts and behaviors in the numerous situations whom a person encounters throughout the life. Second is self-awareness, the ability to understand personal emotions and thoughts and how they lead to particular behaviors. Third is relationship skills, the ability to create healthy, meaningful relationship with a variety of individuals from varying background. Next, social awareness, the ability to see a situation from the perspective of someone else and emphasize with that person, including people from different cultures and backgrounds. And last, responsible decision making, the ability to make healthy decisions about behavior and social interactions based on the ethics, safety, consent, and social norms. Now, there are some various common behavioral skills which are needed for every person. First is assertiveness skill, second, accountability skill, communication skill, decision making, empathy, giving feedback, creative, critical, and positive thinking, interpersonal skills, relationship building, active listening skill, healthy living, life balance, goal setting, personal impact, risk management, influencing skill, motivation skill, emotional intelligence, and motivating the team, and last, team building. These all are the common behavioral skills. Now, the training method for developing behavioral skill. Behavioral skills training is an effective and impact training method that can be individualized to each person, team leaders, and involves each of the following four phases. First phase, experiment. Second phase, reflection. Third phase, insight. And fourth phase is change. We go on. First phase, experiment. This experiment phase provides the participants with a real time experience of the specific behavioral skills. Participants get to experience as necessary through variety of experimental learning activities that includes theater, team activities, role play situation and simulations, etc. Second phase is reflection. During this phase, participants think and feel about what they just experienced. The facilitator asks reflective questions to help the participants relate and learn from their own immersive experience of the specific behavioral skills. The facilitator also provides positive praise for correct behavior and feedback for improvement whereas necessary. Third phase is insight. During this phase, participants move from the level of feeling and thinking to the level of concepts as ideas. Here they get to fit the concepts and ideas into real world scenarios and create a new conceptual map which shows where things are, why things are in a certain way, and how things work. The facilitator raises heightened awareness to these insights and discoveries such that participants find areas of improvements and new realization to change their real world behavior at work. Last phase is opportunities of change. Practice, practice, and more practice. The participant get many opportunities to practice the newly learned behaviors through multiple levels of immersive experimental learning stimulation like role plays, theater, experimental activities that are close to real life work behaviors and culture. And last, importance of behavioral skills in the social life. Behavioral skills are very important for one's social life. Behavioral skills include self management, self and social awareness, relationship skills, and responsive decision making ability, and so many behavioral abilities which make the human life happy and enjoyable. It helps a person to be good and polite with everyone, to socialize with people, and be able to maintain a positive relationship in the society. It helps to make mature and correct decision making ability in a person. Because of these, human beings handle the very critical life situations easily. It helps to become a positive minded and keep a well balanced relationship among the people. Thank you so much.